Need an easy solution to edit ISO files on your Mac system? Looking for a reliable way to create, modify, or manage ISO image files without damaging data? In this video, we'll show you how to work with ISO files efficiently using the SysTools Mac ISO Editor tool. Key features of the software. Create new files. Easily create brand new ISO image files from any files or folders without complex technical steps. Advanced editing options: add, remove, rename files, modify date and time properties, and update metadata within ISO files effortlessly. Supports multiple standards. The tool supports major ISO file systems, including ISO 9660, UDF, Rockridge. Customize large files. Edit and manage large ISO files efficiently, without affecting system performance or processing speed. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools Mac ISO Editor tool. Click on the top search result that leads to the SysTools official website. On the product page, click on the Mac tab and download the Mac ISO Editor tool by clicking on Download button. Once downloaded, simply install the SysTools Mac ISO Editor tool on your system. This is the interface of the SysTools ISO Editor tool. First, you have to add the ISO files. On the right, first option is Add File. By this, user can add single or multiple ISO files. Second option is Add Folder option. By this option, it will search your folder or drive, then it will fetch all the ISO files inside the folder or drive. We're going with Add File option. Now, in the new window, search and select your ISO files. Now, click on the Open button. In Selected Path column, you will see all your ISO files and their paths. On the right, in the Size column, you will see the ISO file sizes. Let's select some files. Now, on the right, first option is Remove. By this, user can remove selected ISO files on the list. Second option is Remove All. By this, user can remove all ISO files from the list, and then can add new ones. Below, there is Select Destination Path. By this, you can set destination path for the exported files. By default, the desktop is selected for the destination path, but you can change this path by click on the Change button on the right. Now, click on Next to move forward. In this interface, you will see all the loaded ISO files displayed in the left side panel under the Folders section. Preview all ISO file contents and properties in the right side panel, including file size, file type, modified date, and metadata. Now, select the ISO file that you want to edit within the software. If you want to update the date and time information of any file or folder, select the Change Date Time option. Here, you can click on the date to select the desired date and time easily. With the Add File option, you can insert new files into the ISO image. The Add Folder feature allows users to include complete folders directly into the ISO image file. Using the Rename option, users can easily modify the names of files or folders available inside the ISO image. If you need to delete unwanted files or folders from the ISO image, simply select the file and click the Remove option. There is another advanced option called Change Metadata that allows users to update file properties and detailed metadata information securely. The Change Metadata option becomes clickable only when the main folder is selected inside the software interface. Here, you will see all the changes that you have made during the ISO editing process. After applying all the required modifications and changes, click on the Save ISO button, available at the bottom right corner of the screen. A confirmation message will now appear. Simply click on the OK button to proceed further. A completion message appears that edit process completed successfully. Click the OK button to continue. Click View Report button available at the bottom right corner of the software. Finally, open the destination location selected earlier to access your edited ISO files and the generated CSV report. That's how you can easily edit, manage, and customize ISO files efficiently using the SysTools Mac ISO Editor tool. Visit the product page for more details and purchase the tool. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.